Is the voice chat shared when you're twitching? I can't remember now.
I thought it was
I guess I'll find out. Both microphone audio. I don't know if it's just my audio, or if, I guess it depends on whether or not he set it to allow to be shared.
True.
Oh my god, so funny.
That tower's empty, isn't it? We are re-establishing signals to the... Yes.
Boots in here.
Hush, shut up, baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird and a stocking full of things.
Oh my god. I really hope this is being recorded. Horn of Fire. Do I have that one?
Should I do him?
It's pretty funny. Did I want to check? Alright, did you want to do anything, or should we call it?
Want to do the daily?
Yeah, I could do the daily story, and then... What were the other things we needed anyways? Oh, I still need those Mars. So, did you guys finish that already?
Yeah, we can do that too, if you're up for it.
Maybe. Sure. Ooh, Skyburn is annexed. Chance to create orbs on heavy weapon kills. What else do you have in there? Orbs may grant special ammo.
Okay, you've got the crystal. All you have to do now is fill it with Crota's soul. The Hive are in the middle of some kind of funeral, so...
Not a funeral. A death ceremony. Crota's essence is being prepared for the next round.
Right. So when you get to this funeral, Oryx will be watching close. Use Rasputin's cloak to slip past the Taken. Find Crota's soul, wrap it up, and get out.
Wow, everyone's already like at 290 plus.
Sorry.
I thought I played this game a lot.
Sorry.
Where exactly are
Ooh,
we headed?
can you show me the ghosts?
When the Death Singers begin their song, you'll know you're close.
We'll go get this one at the very end.
What she's trying to say is that she
That's the
doesn't
last one you probably want to
Don't
know.
worry, I'll keep my
The
ear
one
to the
over
ground.
here.
And I will try not to
I'll
step
try.
on his head.
Oh gosh, how do I go over there? Shit. Am I going? So, going in reverse is something that is. That's the edge of the world. Yeah. It's going down.
I think it's this way. Oh wait. Nope. If you go where I am, you can see over the edge. Do you see the lamps? Is that the start?
That's the start.
Yeah. So do we go back that way?
Yeah, it's. Wait, that's the start.
Is it easier to just go back to the start and then...
Yeah.
Oh, I died. That's weird. I was in the middle of a flight and oh. I was in the middle of the air. I didn't hit anything. Okay. Do you think the chest is here? That's funny.
That's a pretty good question. I'm avoiding lights mostly. Alright. So. This is the fourth light, right?
I think so.
Fifth. Alright. Now, I think it's around here somewhere.
Here it is.
Found it?
Yep.
Excellent. Alright. So now we gotta get up to the bridge. Okay, so...
That's going backwards, I think. So we probably gotta go this way.
Yeah, yes, okay. It's different when you're not being run at by thrall.
Right? All you know is you gotta run away from the thralls, so you're always going in the right direction.
Yeah, exactly. Oh shit! Oh, I fell in the pit and jumped out. I don't know if you saw that.
No.
Yay for double jump, that's all I'm saying. It's up the hill, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I think we have some thralls just on our chat right now.
Yeah, bro. Do you have to build the bridge, or is the bridge already built?
Nope. It's already built. Now this is the fun part, getting this one, because you have to go into the light to get it, but you don't want to go too far, otherwise you get in the part. So I'll jump on top of where it is, because I know where it is.
That's crazy. How do people find this stuff?
Stay out of sight. We need you back alive. You have the frequency, Ghost?
And your modifications. We'll be ready.
Then move quietly and unseen.
Is it on one of these pillars?
I'm standing on the pillar right where it is.
It's too bright for me to see.
You're on the pillar right across from me.
Did I fall down?
Yeah. Now you know you're on the other side. You're on the other side. Go back to that one pillar that you were at, if you can.
I need to be on the pillar to get to it?
No. Well, I'm on top of the pillar. So when you get to this pillar,
Let me see if I can,
the bullets.
This was Blink. I'm trying to see if I have a better jump. Okay, almost.
It's not on top of this one, but see where I am? I'm right across.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get onto the pillar. I don't know where I am.
I have no idea where I am right now.
Did I push you off? Oh, I see it. I got it. That's crazy. Wow. I guess a guardian died there.
This
Right
wall's
by the
got him
light.
right at the end.
Yeah.
Down.
Alright. Now
Let's
we have
hope
to go
this
in the
works.
crystal room of...
Cloaking. I can't see you. Can you see me?
Keep your distance. They can't see you, but they can still smell you. Eris can replace her ship. We can't replace you.
Cross the chasm. Enter their world.
Wait, I need to catch up to you. I'm behind you.
Oh, he's coming towards us.
A two mask. Careful. We've still got to avoid them. I hope they can't see this thing.
Okay, Bridget's ready. Fuck's sake. Fuck off.
I think it's funnier that he's leaving.
That's for sure.
I really hope this is broadcasting and saving. I think it's hilarious that he's like, oh shit. That he's,
You think they heard that?
I'm behind this knight here, and I don't know if I can, that he's such a heavy sleeper.
The Death Singers. They are preparing Crota's soul for the next realm.
Coming for you,
Follow
Foxy.
their cry. It was just as this when I walked in the dark.
We should play Omnivore and Blast.
Songs in the wind as Ariana fell. Reach Crota's tomb and take what remains of his soul.
And now we have to get into the crystal
Who's
room.
here? How do we find Protus?
You'll know it when you see it.
Uh-oh. I'm visible.
Will you go back to invisible?
I don't think so.
Oh, Death Singer sends your life.
We're dead.
Now, let the crystal drink deep from Crota's death essence.
Should we just wipe?
We will wipe the
Oh.
door. That's
So it's just automatic wipe?
yeah.
A lot of tombs here.
Alright.
How do we find Protus?
You'll know
Let's
it
try the other
when
way.
you see it.
Whoa, he's coming around. Oh, we can run around the edge on the outside.
He's coming towards me though. I have to...
Well, you know what? We might be able to just complete the mission, and then we'll have 30 seconds to get over there.
I might be able to walk over though. He's walking back so I can go up the steps. Alright, do I go inside?
Yeah, we have to go inside. Bless you. Oh, Foxy, don't die, please. Foxy. Don't
Now
fall
what?
in the hole. Alright. See where that wizard is?
Yeah.
We may have to be visible for it, but there's a ghost on one of the chains over there. Let's go get to Destiny. She's in the room there.
How do you get up there? How do you get there?
It's on this right here. I think we have to beat the mission before we get up there, though.
Up
We
where?
can't jump high.
Oh, I see it. Is it that?
It's like right on the wall on the chain.
Oh, okay. So let's beat it, I guess.
Let's beat it, and then we can run in the void gap.
Does he come this way?
Yeah, he's coming this way. Uh-oh, I'm stuck.
What do I forget what I have to do.
I think we found it. Now,
Yes, do
let
something
the
with
crystal
caution.
drink deep from Crota's death essence.
Okay.
it's working. How much do we need to pass as an Ascendant Hive?
Only a taste, but steal all you can.
Oh, I've been seeing.
Something's wrong. We're exposed. Walk for transplant. Get out of there. We must have Crota's soul. They've got
Okay, go in
enough.
there,
Walk for
now and
transplant,
get
Ghost.
it.
I got
I
it.
can't. Everything is corrupt.
Now what?
Nice. We just gotta survive the end.
I can't.
Oh, okay.
Stay alive. We've got to make it back.
Oh shit.
Do you have a respawn timer?
Yeah, 24. Maybe go underneath.
Ooh, I don't know if I like this machine gun.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, he spawned me right up on top of all the enemies. That's wonderful.
Uh-oh. Yes, that is a Minotaur.
Guardian! Come,
Do we have to kill that guy?
No, she'll finish.
Okay.
Then that's what happened with me.
I used one of those coins,
It was the best I could do with so
thinking
little
that
time.
we had to.
You pulled us out.
One of Toland's tricks.
Oh well.
There is nothing I fear
Oh.
more than the dark, but I will
I used
not
the coin,
lose another
but
guardian.
it took away the buff.
You've imprisoned the last whisper of Crota's soul. It is left to you now. Find Oryx on the Dreadnought.
Your helmet's pretty cool
Destroy
too.
him.
You got snakes on it? You got snakes on your motherfucking helmet. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is cool.
Is that future war cult stuff?
I'm not sure. I think I got it from an engram. Character.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
That's probably the simplest one I would say of all heroic stories.
Yeah, and that went pretty quick.
Oxy, you're so annoying.
Whoa. So funny.
Wow. Okay, I thought that was one of us doing it.
It's not me.
It's not me. Fox is being cellular.
Seriously.
So, Rift?
Do I feel up for Rift? Not on my Warlock, not right now. I guess I could switch to...
Into Rift.
I wonder how that buff... Can we check the tower? I want to see if I got anything. Because I used a coin, and it took the buff away. Is that just because the mission ended? Or we got teleported?
I'm not sure.
Because we didn't kill anything.
There it is. Wow, that was loud. I'm about to make me tired.
Yeah. I have an antiquated rune.
Me too. And so does, Clary. So we gotta get that. Wow.
I think you pretty much have to start it from the beginning. See, because it's 0 of 3.
What's 0-3?
When you look at the antiquated rune. And I think the lieutenants are the level 1s.
Where is my antiquated rune?
Huh?
There it is. No, my antiquated rune has,
Oh, probably because you did it. It says...
Ragnarok rune?
No. My antiquated rune, probably because I didn't have one at the time. So mine is not full.
Oh. Oxy. I did get you my postmaster.
Stop floating.
Thanks, a blue body.
Check in.
I got an exotic. I got an exotic engram.
What'd you get?
It was arms.
What'd you-
Oh, I didn't open it yet. I'm considering waiting. Maybe I'll store it in my
Check.
for one of my alts.
Ugh. Damn it. I want to upgrade my legendary artifact with what I just got, but I'm gonna hold off because I need a few more points and I can actually buy my Hawk Moon back.
Mm.
I need 20 more points.
Handful.
264 attack.
Oh, Boxy left.
Oh, his PS4 probably finally.
Disconnected.
That was
Oh,
hilarious.
wait. It's 100.